Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyisa Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can get free music that you can use for your scoring or background music for your ad. So, what we're going to search for is a company called Incompetech.com. We're looking for royalty-free music that we can use on our ad creative. Once you get onto the site here, you're going to click for royalty-free music. So here's a side note. You want to ensure that the royalty-free music that you pick or choose is in line or has the same tone as the product that you're selling. So if you're going to sell a very, very serious product, let's say a product that's going to guarantee safety, like a panic button, you want to have cinematic, high intense music. If you want to sell like a child's game, then you want to have children, relaxed music, so you gotta pick the right royalty free music that has the right tempo, the right tone, and the right pitch levels, so you only figure out if the music makes sense for your ad creative while you're editing the video. So you want to get a few, you want to download a few different genres of royalty free music, and you want to test them all. So let's see, Magic Escape Room. Let me just play it here. So listen now. So that is perfect. You can say download Magic Escape Room as MP3. So you would probably go and scan here, maybe get 1 or 2 or 3 royalty-free sounds, and I will see you in the next video.